Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this edition of Forza Horizon 5. And today we're going to accomplish some jumps, to try some jumps. Some of my favorite things to do is look for one of these jumps and just hit it as fast and hard as I can. I have to say that since I crashed every fast travel board and earned fast travel, super excited. I had to do two things. I had to buy a mansion, and that gave me fast travel, and then I had to crash all the boards, and that gave me free fast travel. And it was really, there's the jump. Oh, that's just a house. Looking for the jump here that I'm going to hit. The buying a certain mansion, even though it cost me over $2 million, it earned me the right to fast travel, and it cost me $200 every time I wanted to jump somewhere on the map. But if you play this game, you know that a lot of times the frustration is you've got to drive for 10 minutes just to get to where you want to go. So I paid the $200 each time. That wasn't a big deal. All right, we're looking for this ramp. Oh, I am far to the left of the ramp. So luckily we've got the reverse option here. Let's try it again, and let's hit this bad boy straight on. I'm a little crooked, so I don't think I'm going to make it. It looks like we are supposed to jump into the stadium, which I obviously am not going to make it. So let's back it up and try it again. Anyway, once I get crashed through all the fast travel boards, it made all the fast travel free. So now I can pick any location on the map and get there for free. Let's hit this jump, and into the soccer stadium we fly. I'm sure that's going to be my 3-star, and that's what I'm going for here is 3 stars on all the jumps. 1, 2, 3, yes. So these are called danger signs. With this car, I can pretty much get 3 stars on most jumps. So I'm going back, and hey, this is kind of fun. Bounce that soccer ball on my head. So let's do one more. Let's pick this one. This one's one that I definitely need to get a 3-star on. So anyway, it's a game changer. I was talking about the fast travel option. Just having to drive everywhere all the time. At first it's fun, and then after a while you just want to kind of go someplace and get there like immediately. So right now I'm just looking for I fast traveled to the location, but I need to find the actual ramp, and then what I like to do is find a good run up to it. So that's what I'm doing now, looking for the ramp, which should be at the top of this mountain. Those are just flags, so that's not it. Yeah, maybe that is it. Yep, it is. Danger sign. So it's just I got to come up the other way. So I'm going to drive down this road and find a nice, fast, straight road to hit it as fast and straight as I can. So I'll probably just go up this mountain just to get a little bit some downhill. It's probably easier than going around a corner. I like to hit it straight on if I can, and even though this isn't an off-road car, in real life you would never be able to do this with this car. It's too low. You would bottom out. But luckily, now one thing I like to do also is go ahead and use my GPS and get the blue line, so there's no question that I'm headed in the right direction. So there's the blue line. I'm going to try to stick right to it, miss any oncoming traffic, and that blue line pretty much gives me the best route to where I'm going. And then we're going to hit this and fly almost to town there, it looks like. So just out of town, 1,562 feet. That hopefully is a 3-star. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So I look on the map, and I'm going to go ahead and fast travel up to the very top of the mountain where the volcano is. This one I've tried before, and it's a kind of a tough road because it's bumpy and curvy. So with a different car, I was not able to get very good distance, and so I think with this car maybe. So here we are, kind of at the top of this rocky area, and the road is not straight. So, oh, and there's the blimp. When you see the blimp, that means there's a arcade event happening soon. I think I've done one. Just all right, there's the pond here near the top of the crater, and I think I can just kind of cruise around and get a running start from here. But again, it's a little confusing, and I haven't set my GPS yet. So I'm going to run over here to these buildings, set my GPS. That's where I'm headed, towards that. I've only gotten 1 star on that danger sign before. I don't remember how far I have to jump, but it's like 15 or 1,600 feet. So here we go, full speed ahead. Oh, there's a rock. Oh, there's a rock. Okay, that hurt. So we're going to back it up, and we're going to try to miss the rock. So let's go to the left of the rock and hook a right. So you can see, not straight. And then this car having a hard time getting up to speed. No, that's not going to work. So I'm going to back it up. And you see there's a cliff. I don't know if... oh, I went a little bit too far. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Not four-wheel drive. I'm going to have to rewind it. So rewinding to the top of the hill and starting from here. And then I'm going to try to make a straight shot. This is the straightest shot I have for this jump. So 103, 115, 129 miles per hour, 145, 158. I think we hit that jump at 158 miles per hour. That's pretty good. Oh, I'm actually going faster now. 204. I don't know how I picked that much speed up after I jumped, but gravity, I guess. So that's good. Oh, 2 star. Not happy with the 2 star. So let's see that in reverse. Going backwards. Up the hill, there's the slide, there's the landing, and the jump in reverse. It's a great view from here. I got the hot air balloons in the distance, the big lake. It's awesome. So not that you have a whole lot of time to enjoy it when you're trying to go as fast as you can. So this isn't going to work. I'm going to have to go up to the top here and find a different route. I can either start on the road and just try to follow the road, and maybe at least I'll be going 50, 60 instead of starting at 0. And that's my strategy. Maybe I can go around that corner at 50 or 60 and then punch it. So here we go. Let's try. No, I'm just gonna try and go up over this hill. I don't know if that's a good idea, but let's just gun it, poof, and bounce over that. Oh, there's those rocks again. I'm gonna go to the right side this time, and we're already going 110 miles an hour. So that was way better. 145. Let's go. Oh, 158 on the jump. I don't think that's much different than I did last time, but we'll see. That was 1,573 feet. Another 2-star jump. That is not great. So, whoop, wrong button. I sometimes I get reverse confused with photo on my controller. So, yeah, no, not photo again. Okay, well, I needed a photo of the car. That's nice, because I have not taken a picture of my Bugatti, because that's how I roll. So I just don't remember what rewind is. Play too many different games, and the controls are so different. So I'm just going to drive back up the hill in my Bugatti. That's what I do in a $1 million car or whatever it is. I'm going to just, go four-wheeling, shift into 4-wheel drive. This thing's probably already 4-wheel drive, but we're going to just gun it to the top of the mountain. Yeehaw! And let's try it again. There's always a better way. So obviously what I didn't work. I've got to be going faster when I hit the ramp if I'm going to get like 1,700 feet or more on the jump. So here we are at the back at the top. But I've got to drive around. You can see, looking at the map there, it is down below me on the right. So I think I've got to start over here. So let me set my GPS. Let's see. Let's go. GPS. Just trying to set my GPS. Sort of. That's sort of close. Not quite, though. I don't think that's exactly what I wanted. So it is over here somewhere. But I'm not sure where. So let's check that GPS again. Yeah, no, I'm going the wrong way. So put it back that way. There we go. Just past the jump. That'll give me heading in the right direction. So we're going to go ahead and crank that e-brake and flip her around. If you ever buy a Bugatti, I don't recommend that this is what you do with it. Maybe stay on the paved roads. But, you know, I got so many cars in the garage that it just doesn't matter. So we'll just take her up into the hills here. Okay, this time I'm going to try to kind of stick to the road maybe. That's my original, well, not my original. That was my backup strategy. So, because I'm already going 70-something miles an hour. See, that's not bad. So if I can come around that corner at 70, I'm already faster than I was when I started. So here we go. I'm going 50, 60, back up to 70. There's 84. Okay. Yeah, see, maybe I'm already going a little faster. So let's see if we can hit this jump at, poof. Oh, it's 158 again. I think that's exactly the same speed. I don't think this will be any better. 1,597 feet. It's a 2-star again. All right. Yeah. Let's try it one more time. One more time. And this time I remember the rewind button. So I can just go in reverse. Which is great because it's so much faster. And I can just kind of start where I started to slow down. So let's see if I can kind of hook this corner. I don't know. I think it needs to be a straight shot. So I think I'm going to have to come over here and not slide that corner. And let's just punch it here. That's pretty straight. So boom, I can miss those rocks. I can go straight. See, I'm already going 100 miles an hour. So I think this is already better. If I can go faster than 158, 165 miles per hour. It's not much faster, but come on, let's do it. 1746. New personal best, ladies and gentlemen. And come on. 1, 2, 3 stars. So, yeah. There's my 3 jumps for today. Go play some Forza. It's awesome. Mr. Johns, out.